Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be getting 64-bit applications on 32-bit Raspbian. We first need to install the pin bootloader onto a SD card. You can watch my tutorial and there should be a ribbon somewhere above. Open your web browser and go to the pin GitHub page. There you can find the SourceForge download link and you can download pin from there. After pin has downloaded, erase your SD card and format it as FAT32. After formatting the SD card, double-click on the zip file to unzip it. Ctrl A or Command A to copy all the files, and then drag them to the SD card. Eject your SD card and now you can plug it into your Raspberry Pi. After powering on your Raspberry Pi, you should be greeted by a rainbow screen, and then the bootloader should show after 10 to 15 seconds. You'll need to put in your Wi-Fi credentials or use an Ethernet cable. After the menu has fully booted, then you can install nspawn64. After Raspbian boot, you can open up the 64-bit terminal by going into the System Tools menu. The applications that you download in the 64-bit terminal are different than the normal terminal. Over here I am opening the 64-bit version of Firefox ESR. At the top of the Firefox window you can see that it says Debian Buster 64. This shows it's on 64-bit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.